Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut and trim in iMovie. So let's jump right into this video now without wasting any second. So what you can do here is, let me just resize this. I can hold option to resize like this, and now I can grab and drop the video here. Now I can actually crop the video, trim the video from this side. Let's say I have an intro, or I just started the video, and I can also see from here that the video just started but I'm not talking. So I'm just gonna trim like this, and now I'm gonna trim from this side as well. But what if you have, let's say, this portion? I can press the cursor around to move. I like this portion to remove this part, so I can right click, and here I have split clip and split clip, and I can click on here, or I can move the cursor like this. But instead of doing that, which I like more, is to actually use the shortcut Command plus B. And now I cut this video. Now there's two. I can move this on top of each other. Now as you can see, there's two videos here. I can crop one, and as you can see, now I cropped that video. And now what if you want to, maybe if you right click, you select the video, make sure you also select the video. Here you also have other options. Maybe you look to show speed editor, to trim, to playback. Also something very important here, I can move the cursor and I can click on trim to playback, which will trim. Maybe I want to remove this part to the end, I can right click and select trim to playback and remove that portion. Maybe I want from here, or remove the entire video from there, from this part as well, trim, you remove that part. Now we can also click on cut, which remove the entire video. But if you just want to cut the video, you just have to pretty much just right click and select here split clip, or use the command plus B, or use the shortcut command plus B. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.